Hey viewers, welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. RR. Today we are going to talk about 10 most important stocks of US stock market where maximum people do trading and investing. So before we go ahead and do the analysis, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification icon so that you will get a notification of all the future videos which I'm going to make here. And I have also uploaded the Outlook of Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, gold, silver, and crude oil. So before watching this video, I would request you to go on, this video, understand where the index are going to go in the next week, and then come back to this video. So let's go ahead and see these 10 stocks. Okay, we will do a detailed technical analysis on them. So the first stock is Apple. I have done my drawing here. uh, for the Apple, you can see Apple is having this long-term trend line support. Okay, this is a long-term trend line support. It took the support on various points here. Okay, it took support here, here, kind of here, and then here. So right now, to me, these are the the immediate points for the Apple. Currently it is trading nearly exact the immediate support, okay, of $165. If it breaks and starts trading below it, then it has the first immediate target of $157. Okay, and to me it will be the best buy price, okay, uh, for this stock. And the next immediate level for this stock is coming around 150, and the third level is 144. So 157, 150, and 144, these are the three levels on the downside. If on the Monday markets give some upside, then immediately the first resistance you will see near $170, and the second is coming around 175. These are the two immediate uh, support and resistance levels for this stock. um, if you have seen my previous video on the outlook of Nasdaq 100, okay, if this index goes down, then definitely the stock will go down. But if index goes up, the stock is going to go up. Okay, and remember, this is the confluence area for this stock. Okay, where you can see the trend line support and the horizontal support. They both are connecting. Okay, the next stock we will talk about is AMD. Before we go ahead, let's see the weekly and monthly. Weekly chart shows a weakness in the stock. Monthly, you can see here, this is the exact replica of Nasdaq 100. Okay, the next stock we have is AMD. For the AMD, you can see here, the RSI is kind of oversold. Okay, so one buying opportunity which I can see for this stock is around $89. Okay, if it comes, if you get it near $89, definitely one should go ahead and add it. The second point is $80. Okay, so if somebody wants to invest in the AMD, okay, the first point is $89 and the second is $80. Okay, it might take support here and then reverse from here, or if it doesn't hold $89, then it can come back to $80 and take the U-turn from here. The immediate targets for this stock is uh, the first target is $99, second is 105, third is 160. If we see the weekly and monthly for this stock, Weekly is kind of bearish. Okay, bearish, strong red candle because it closed and the low both are, kind of same on the weekly basis. If we talk about monthly, monthly is also a bearish candle. You can see here a strong bearish candle, and it uh it is like kind of, it has broken the this, trend line support as well. Okay, but if it starts trading above $100, then it can again come back to the, you know uh, on the track, okay, where the trend line has the support, and then it can go up from there. So if somebody is a conservative buyer, means he wants, to make a sure short profit with very, uh, l- less risk, then one should, take, position above $100 on the safer side. And with that, we have seen the monthly, weekly, and monthly, all three candles we have seen. Next, we have Amazon. For the Amazon, you can see here, okay, for the Amazon right now, Amazon has the support at $3,000. If it starts trading and sustaining below it, if on any day it closes below $3,000, okay, then it will go to the immediate first support is coming around this level, 2900, means 100 points from there, and then from there it can go back to 2800. Okay, these are the two immediate support levels. If it holds $3,000, okay, then it can go back to 3037, 3077, and if it's sustainable that, then it can go to 3177. Okay, the next stock we are going to talk is Facebook, but before that, let's see weekly. Weekly is kind of spinning top, means indecisive, okay, and monthly is a red candle. But with this, the earning is also coming. So, on 28th of April, the stock has earning. Then we, you know, we need to see uh, how it reacts, you know, before the earning or on the earning day. The next stock we have is Facebook. Facebook, you can see here. Okay, this is the long term trend line area, support area, which I have drawn. Currently, the Facebook has immediate support at $200. Okay, if it breaks below $200 and sustain, okay, below that, then 185 and 165 are the two targets. Okay, means on the day it starts trading below $200, first target is 185, second target is 165. Okay, on any day if it starts trading and sustaining above $220, okay, then it might, you know go back and show us the level of 230 and 245. So these were the two supports and resistance for Facebook. Let's see on the weekly chart. Okay, weekly is, kind of bearish. Okay, it is showing a bearishness, so it shows that, it wants to go towards $200, soon. If we see the monthly is also at this point of time kind of bearish, but the month is not completed yet. Okay, so it is in the process of, creating a monthly candle. The next stock we have is Google. For Google, wow, if you see on the Thursday, there was a, big red candle, almost 2.4% down. The low and the close both are at the same. So at this point of time, Google has a support area of 2535 to 2500, means this 35 points, okay, is a support area of for the Google. Okay, If it starts trading and closing below this 2500, then it can show us 2440 and 2400. Okay, these are the two short term, very short term levels I can see. And if from this support area, if it takes a u-turn, then the immediate first target I can see around 2600, 2660 and 2751. Let's see the weekly chart for the same. Weekly is kind of showing a bearishness. Okay, uh, it's a strong bearish candle. And monthly, if we say, wow, monthly is like, this is we need to take a cautious, we should be very cautious here, because you can see here in the last 8 months. Okay, in the last 8 months, uh, uh, Google has never closed below 2650, and this month 12 days are remaining. If we manage to close above 2675, then we are good, or 2650, we are good. If we close below 2650, okay, uh sorry, not 2650, I will say, if we manage to close below 2600, then this will be bad sign for this stock, and high probability that it will go down more. But we have 12 days in hand, and let's see how it goes, because you can see here in last 3 months it made the low, okay, till 2530, but it managed to close in this area. Okay, so this is very important, we need to look at. The next stock we have is Microsoft. Microsoft day candle, you can see here, uh, it's kind of bearish candle. Okay, it has made on the Thursday, but it is exactly at its support of $280. Okay, if it starts trading and closing below it, then here are the two targets it has. The first is 271, second is 260. All right, 260 and 271. If it's managed to trade and close, if it managed to sustain above 280, then it can go back toward 290 and 297. These are the very short term targets for Microsoft. If we talk about a weekly and monthly candles, then weekly you can see here kind of a strong red candle. Okay, which shows that this stock wants to drop more. Okay, if we see the monthly is also same like Google. Okay, the next we have is Netflix. Wow, for the Netflix right now you can see it is beaten down from almost 700 to 350, means almost half of from where it was in last 6 months. So right now we can see here this stock is having the support at 333. Okay, the magical number 333. If it's trade and sustain below 333, then it can go back to 295, and the next level below that is 252. Okay, but if it takes support at 333 and reverse from here, then again it will try to go towards 385 and 420 levels. These are the two levels we need to watch. Let's see the weekly chart quickly. On the weekly chart, it's a kind of red candle. Okay, which says that it will touch 333 soon. On the monthly chart you can see monthly chart is also bearish, but RSI is kind of low on the monthly candle. uh, it says that it will take a reversal on anytime. So you can see here, wow, in Jan it was down by 29%, 7.6% in Feb, 5% in March, and in April almost 9%. Okay. Wow. So to me, it looks like the best price point to add it. Okay. The stock is near 293 if it comes, and the second is 250. And if one can hold it for for 1 to 2 years, okay, then definitely they are going to get handsome returns on this stock. The next stock we have is Nvidia. Okay, the day chart for the Nvidia says the stock has a strong support around 200 and 8 to 210 levels. From there, if it takes U-turn, then 230 on the shorter time frame, then 250. Okay, if it doesn't sustain above below, if it doesn't sustain above 208 to 210 zone, then the next immediate targets are 195 and 180. If we see its weekly chart first, then on weekly it says that it is on the verge of breaking down, okay, on the trend line support. And if we see the monthly, wow, monthly is kind of big red candle, almost 22% down from the month's high. Now we are going to talk about everybody's favorite stock, okay, that is SoXL. SoXL, if we see on the day chart here, on the day chart, if we see the SoXL has broken, uh, let us make it very clear. Okay, this okay. On the day chart, it shows us that it was trading at a very important support area of 28 to 27. Okay, this was the very important support area because you can see it took the support on this area multiple times, but on this last Thursday it managed to close below that. Okay, and a solid big red candle. Okay, and the volume was okay, not that good. So if on Monday, if this stock doesn't manage to close about $27, okay, then the stock might go towards $21. Okay, the first target, second target is $16. Okay, and if it managed to close about 27 to $28 this area, then it can go back towards 32 and $36 on a very short term basis. Okay, this is highly volatile stock, so uh, think twice before taking any trading decision, okay, on the stock. If we see the weekly chart of the stock, weekly is kind of it wants to drop more, it shows like that. And if we see the monthly also, you can see very bad red candle. Okay, very bad red candle it is showing, and it shows that it wants to go towards $21 as soon as possible. The next and the last important stock we have is Tesla. For the Tesla, okay, you can see here, this is the long-term trend line for the Tesla, and Tesla has a first support around $950 and second support is around $880. Okay. Uh, right now, it had the support area. It has the support area of 1010 to 994. Okay. If it starts going down from here, okay, if it doesn't sustain above 995 and goes down more, then immediately it is going to show us 950. And if it doesn't sustain above 950, then 884 is the target. If it managed to trade about 1010, then the first target is 1055 and second target is 1120. Let's see the weekly chart. Weekly chart is kind of gravestone doji, okay, which is kind of bearish candle. So it's highly possible that it will go back to 950. And monthly candle is uh, this is not giving any clue at this point of time, but uh, it says that if this stock on any day, if Tesla on sorry on any month, if Tesla close above 1120, then there are very big upside in there will be a very big upside in this stock. So my friends, this is all about all these 10 stocks for today. I hope this analysis might have helped you to understand these important levels of these stocks. Okay. uh, in case you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, share it with your friends and family members, and last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends.